Hello everyone, let's learn how to make this rose. We will need acrylic or cotton yarn or any scrap yarn is also fine. We will start with a slip knot and we will make 66 chains. For the second row, we will skip 6 chain and we will make a double crochet. So we are here making V's and then we will skip 2 chains and we will do double crochet, chain 2 and double crochet in same stitch. So we are making continuous rounds. We will skip 2 chain, then we will follow double crochet, chain 2 and double crochet in the same stitch. For row 3, we will start with chain 2 and we will count this as double crochet. And then we will again make a double crochet, chain 2 and 2 double crochet. So we will be making all these stitches in the same V. For next row, we will chain 1 and we are doing 7 double crochet in that V. Then we will do single crochet in that gap and then chain 3 and then we will continue with 7 double crochet. So this will be our pattern for this row. For sepal, we will take cotton or acrylic yarn, anything would be fine. Then we will make a magic ring and chain 2, and we will be going to make 10 double crochet in the magic ring. And then we are going to make a slip stitch in the first double crochet. To start the second round, we will make a chain 3. In the same stitch, make a double crochet, and in the next stitch we will make 2 double crochet, and we will continue to increase double crochet stitch in the round. Now we will make a chain 8, we will follow slip stitch, then single crochet, again 1 single crochet, half double crochet, again a half double crochet, and in the next 2 chains double crochet. Then we will skip 3 chains and make a slip stitch. We will continue this pattern until we came to the end.